Here's a more advanced tutorial in our ninth in the series on Photoshop. We'll be making a gold text effect that makes it look as if our text was dipped in gold. Start out by having text ready in your image. Here we have our text from the last tutorial with all the layer blending options removed to start fresh. To start creating this effect, let's start by opening the layer options once more. The first thing we want to do is make the text look like it's carved out. Use bevel and emboss here for that. As you can see, our text now looks like it has a curve to it or a 3D look. Let's change that look by clicking on Gloss Contours drop-down menu and click the ring contour. If you're unsure of which is which, just hover over each contour for a few seconds to get the name of the contour. After this, make sure the effect is set to chisel hard, so that way it looks like it was really made out of some sort of marble or stone. As we're going for the gold effect, we're going to add a gradient overlay to the whole image so we can get the gold coloring right. If it's not already, we'll set the gradient to the first gradient setting, foreground to background, by clicking the gradient drop-down menu. Then, click the gradient itself to open the color picking menu. We'll set the colors here by double-clicking the color spots here on the bottom of each gradient to something yellow and brown so that it looks gold. After that, you can see your text is now worth its weight in gold, if only in Photoshop. This blending technique can be used on other things as well, but text is one of the best uses for it. A quick drop shadow at the end makes it stand out even more, and that's it for this effect. Simple, yet effective.